Hi, my name is David, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about GlucoTrust before actually buying the product. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about GlucoTrust is, be careful with the website you're going to buy GlucoTrust from, because GlucoTrust is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. GlucoTrust is a revolutionary diet which supports healthy blood sugar levels, eliminates insomnia, and allows you to enjoy a better quality of sleep. GlucoTrust, a dietary supplement, can also support weight loss by decreasing appetite. This dietary supplement is currently new on the market, but unlike any other, it is formulated with special ingredients which supply the body with essential nutrients that maximize the efficiency of the results. GlucoTrust can provide your health with multiple benefits. For those who have been balancing their glucose or blood sugar levels, people who have had to give up their favorite food, or for those who have no time to exercise daily, then the dietary supplement GlucoTrust can be a great partner. GlucoTrust's formula is powerful, does not require users to change their lifestyle, there is no need to follow a strict diet. The dietary supplement GlucoTrust is made and manufactured in the USA in a registered sterile FDA and GMP certified facility. Utilizes the latest technologies. Among the ingredients in GlucoTrust are Gymnema sylvestre, biotin, chromium, manganese, juniper berries, zinc. Users are free to take GlucoTrust as long as they feel they need to. However, it is recommended to take it for at least 3 months for the best effectiveness of the product. The GlucoTrust formula works because it acts on the root of the problem, providing the body with essential vitamins and minerals that lower glucose, maintaining healthy levels of blood sugar, eliminates the fats that are accumulated in your liver system, and increases the conversion of carbohydrates and proteins, inducing the body to burn fat easily. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with GlucoTrust, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test GlucoTrust for 180 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for GlucoTrust to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results, and you'll actually get a little frustrated. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy GlucoTrust from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person, because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that GlucoTrust actually helps you a lot to improve your life.